Okay, folks, here we go. We got your nice, beautiful 98 Cherokee Sport 4-liter 5-speed. Very clean. Just picked this up. Trim that has turned over the years. It turns this whitish gray, and I see a lot of these out there. And I'm going to show you a trick here how to get that to go from that into that. It's really easy, very inexpensive, and doesn't take much to do it. You gotta get yourself a little heat gun here. You can get the Harbor Freight style like I have, and yeah, grab this little gun here, and turn it on high, and see how white that is and gray? It's just ugly. But anyways, here we go. Hopefully I can do this right. One-handed. I kind of start up at the rim there, get the edge. But yeah, just, oh yeah. Yeah. So that's how this works. The entire Jeep was this way on both sides. And it takes a little bit of time. It's not like just spray painting, but it's actually better than paint because it's not going to fade away or scratch off or flake off, or you don't have to mask it. It's actually pretty simple. And you can fade it in, and it's hard to do this one-handed, but I'm doing it. And then, yeah, it'll just dry up. And once it's dried up, it looks pretty good. But yeah, so that's how that goes. I'll show you how the other side turned out. Yeah, it was white-gray, and it just stood out. So that's after. I mean, from there to there, I mean, you can tell the difference. Excellent. Fast, easy, and cheap. If you like it, please push the like button below. Share it with your friends that have Cherokees. And if you have any questions, please ask. This is pretty simple, though. But yeah, any comments, leave those. That would be great. And anyways, appreciate the watching, and we'll see you next time.